Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to read file header columns um, and how to read number of records within a file using script task in SSIS. So script task is one of the tasks in control plane where we need to write some C# or .NET code to perform some functions. Whenever there are built-in tasks and transformations not available in SSIS uh, toolbox, developers use the script task to perform. If you want to read or write files in a folder, or if you want to know the latest file in a particular path, or if you want to know the number of records, developers go with script task option. Now, I want here to show how to read the f- file uh, header columns and how to read number of records within that file using the script task. So without wasting time, let's jump into the demo. So this is my comma separated value CSV file. There it contains around 730 records and along with 5 header columns: ID, first name, last name, gender, and company name. Now I want to read all these 5 header columns along with the number of records of 730 in the script task. So I have 2019 Visual Studio. Now before dragging the script task into the control pane, I have to create one variable here. So this is variable. I am giving variable name as FilePath. Data type is string, and this one property is value is address. Address in the sense CSV file. In value, you have to paste that address along with CSV. Now you have to drag the script task into the control pane. This is the script task. Double click. Here in the script, read only variables and read write variables. Here our exercise is only just read the header columns and read the number of records in the file. So we want only read only variables. For that you have to go with the variable name that we have created just now, user variable, that's file path. Okay, and edit script. So I am already taking some code, some predefined code. In the video description, I will paste this entire .NET code. This is entirely for to know the to get the header values and to get the number of records, message box, all these things. So this is the script editor. Whenever you are working with the files and folders, you have to make sure that you have to mention one class called system.io using system.io, and within the public method, public body, you have to paste the code. Here it is simple to understand, but around 5 lines of code is there. Make sure this is the very case sensitive. You have to, as it is, you have to mention whatever the variable name you have mentioned in the before the script task. The same variable name you have to supply here. You have to provide the same variable name here. Don't take file as a small or p is cap like that. As it is, exactly you have to mention the same value here. So this is the string, and I have to convert the value variable value to string message box to show the uh, string. And afterwards, I will take the string array to read all lines in the path, that is file path, and message box to get the string array index here. Array start with 0, that is nothing but header columns. So message box showing total number of records. So this is the code. I'm saving this, close it afterwards, and OK. So everything is done. Now if we run the package, we will show the message box on these things. Yeah, this is the path, file path. At the time of the declaring a variable, we provide the value in the column is file path. D drive files text.csv. So D drive file text is the CSV file. This is the path. Click here. Some method is D dot files test. Yeah, D dot files, because it is being used by another process. So we already, without closing, we have opened that CSV file as it is. That's why this is getting the message. If before run the package, you have to close your source file. Now I am running again. This is the file path, and this is the uh, header columns: ID, first name, last name, gender, and company name. And now you get the total number of records, 730. Including header columns, it is showing 731. So this is how we use the script task uh, to read the header columns, or to read the number of rows within the file. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.